making some festive decorations for Christmas. Behind, because I want the handle up. There, I think that'll be good. So now I'm going to add these in. I'm going to rip a few apart. I think I'll rip them. Those might go somewhere else. They're quite small. And I'm going to cut this one a little longer. Okay, I love these berries. I think they're very pretty. This is quite deep, this pot. So I think that looks nice. Just kind of all in a row, but that's okay. And we'll just keep filling those in. We'll just keep filling it in with these beautiful berries. Welcome to my channel. My name is Sharon, and I'd like to welcome everybody to my channel. And I'd especially like to welcome any of my new subscribers. Thank you so much for subscribing. And I always love to send out a big warm YouTube hug to my regulars. I so appreciate you being here. And today, thanks for clicking on this one. And today is Tiny Tidy Tuesday. And I'm not really going to do a tiny tidy. I'm just going to show you some of my home decor that I've been making and that I filmed. And I thought, well, let's just put this up for fun and see what other stuff I get into. And I'll either talk or play some music. Hope you enjoy. I feel like I should put something in there. So maybe I'll cut a little bit of this stuff. Let's just stick it back here. That kind of fills that in. And I have the moss. So you're not going to see the green, or the, gives it another texture and another color. Yeah, that looks better back here. It's like I say, not going to really see the back. Moss color covers all kinds of things. If you've watched my fairy gardens, you'll know. I put lots in there, and we'll just put these little guys back here. And that fills that in better. Maybe we'll put this one over here. There, let's put a little more moss there. Fill it in. There, now we can stick it in there. We can do more. Okay, I think the back looks good. I bought this little basket to make a fairy garden in, but didn't get done yet, so it's going to be used for Christmas, which I think will be pretty. Okay, we got this one. Should I stick it up here? I might hang something from that. We'll see. There's an empty space here, so I'm going to put that there. We want this nice and full. And to cut this one. I just think we might need a little, I don't know, a bow here or a bow here. Nope, I'm just going to bring these back. I'll bring these back. There. I like that better. Straighten up, you guys. Nice thing about full flowers and greenery is you can bend it to whatever you want. I think that's just really pretty. I'm just going to, I'm just going to leave it like this for now. And I'm going to think about maybe a bow or something on front. Not sure. I don't know. Maybe I'll decoupage something in the front. But I kind of like it just the way it is. Well, I have these tags. And it's checked on one side and it says ho 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 on the other side. So I decided I would just glue those right on the front. And I thought it looked very festive and cute on the arrangement. And I think the arrangement is very beautiful. And it's sitting on a little white table. And above that little white table on the window, I have put up this little stick-on bunch of houses and snowflakes, and I think this turned out really nice. And here's my arrangement again, and I think it's very pretty and very festive. Ho ho ho. Well, I did tidy up a little bit, had to put that stuff away after I made my arrangement, and I put my decorations back on my coffee table that I have for Christmas this year. And I am going to go outside and my husband is going to join me and we are going to work on some of our Christmas decorating outside. Well, here I am at the front of our house and I've dug out some garland. And this garland is all flocked and it's very pretty. I hung it all around the front of the bench in the arch over top, and I have my lantern hanging in there as well. And the two garlands, I thrifted one and I bought one half price. And I think this bench turned out kind of pretty. I put the garland around the back of the bench and up and over the arch and down the feet. And I think it looks really nice. And we've had lots of snow since then. So it's really quite pretty now with all the snow on it. And I'm going to add a few more things onto the bench. And you'll have to come and watch my Christmas home tour, which will be coming up probably in the first week or so of December. I hung my two bells out on my gate and I put a bunch of greenery around it this time. Added the greenery to it. That's what I'm doing here. And it is a little cold today, so it's not quite as much fun. But it's still not too bad for weather. And I'm going to add some bright red berries to the little decor on top of that. And I have my cute bells that I got. Oh, here comes my husband. He's got batteries to do the lights around the bench and he's going to get them to work. And then it'll look as pretty at night as it does during the day. So I'm just going to finish this up, putting the berries in. Okay, now let's get the rest of the berries in here. Husband's busy getting the lights turned on. And I will also show you in my tour of my Christmas decorations what the lights look at night. And we're going to put up more lights along the fence and stuff, so it should look good. And I think my gate turned out really pretty. I love the big bells that I bought and put on the gate, and I thought they looked very festive. Well, that's my tiny tidy for this Tuesday, and I'd like to thank everybody who's been watching, and I hope Sunday Dawn's having a good break. And don't forget to watch all the other ladies in the playlist. And we'll see you next Tuesday. Bye.